Okay, so let's take a look at how to customize the retargeting list. In the website traffic section, select the option people visiting specific web pages but not others. You want to reach out to those who made it to your squeeze page but didn't make it to the thank you page. Those who made it to the thank you page already opted in, so there is absolutely no reason to reach out to them again because these guys are already on your list. So you really want to reach out to those who made it to the squeeze page but not to the thank you page. So in this section, you have to paste the full URL of your squeeze page, okay? So just copy paste it, enter it here, and select the option URL equals. And then you want to exclude the people who visit a very specific web page, and that's the thank you page, okay? So again, you want to grab the full URL of your thank you page and then just paste it here. So we are reaching out to the ones who made it to the squeeze page but not to the thank you page, or we're excluding the ones that made it to the thank you page. Then you want to have a certain degree of recency here, so enter 3 days in terms of defining the list size. If it's like 5 or 10 days, people might forget that they have been on your squeeze page. So 3 days is just perfect. And last but not least, enter a descriptive audience name. Could be something like ad break your email retargeting, 1 day, 3 days, whatever. Okay, so this is how you set up a retargeting pixel if you want to deploy this strategy.